is Carla Nay. I haven't done a YouTube video in a while, and I thought this would be a good topic to get back into it. I've been a CafePress seller since March of 2007. I know it's not one of the biggest print-on-demands that people are currently designing for, but for those of us who do sell on CafePress, this is pretty devastating news. They have just announced that they are deactivating their Warner Brothers fan portal. And this includes a lot of properties that, licensed properties that we have been designing for, and a lot of these are pretty good money makers. For me, I'm most devastated by the Christmas movies. We had Elf, and we have Polar Express, and A Christmas Story, and National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, and there's, a few other here. Oh, Willy Wonka, I didn't even realize that one. Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I have designs for that, and Where the Wild Things Are. And I really didn't design for all of these. I did design for Seinfeld. I know a lot of people designed for The Big Bang Theory, and that was a good moneymaker for them. Yeah, so this is not really, oh, Friends, yes. I don't think I designed for Friends, but that was one. The Goonies, I didn't make a lot of money with the Goonies. But this here will pretty much be a nail in the coffin for me with CafePress, especially with these Christmas movies. And they did it, luckily they didn't do it like a month ago to where, Christmas this year would be really bad, but they did deactivate it 5 days before Christmas, so luckily they waited until the Christmas shopping season, at least is over. But that means that next year's Christmas sales are not going to be looking that great as far as CafePress is concerned. So definitely not some happy news, but it is what it is. And they've already put it in place. It says it's effective today, December 20th, 2021. If you go to the CafePress homepage and you type in the tag that they had us put, Elf movie was what we had to tag all of our Elf fan portal designs with. I'm not going to test the other ones, but this one was a really big seller for me. And search for it, it does not bring up any results. And there's discussion about taking your Elf designs and tagging it Elf instead, but let's see what happens there. Let's type in Elf and search. Same thing. So do not, if you are, it reverts to Elf movie. They may change that now that they don't have the Elf movie. They may change that and they may allow Elf to actually bring up Elf results, but they've always had Elf just go directly to the Elf movie. So even if you had a generic Elf design, it would, if you tagged it Elf, it would go to Elf movie. And so since Elf movie is no longer a valid tag, it will not go. You can type in Christmas Elf, and that will bring up results. And you can type in elves, and that will bring up results. So hopefully CafePress will bring up results for just Elf after maybe they, change their coding or whatever to, make it not go to Elf movie. But anyway, that is the news today for CafePress sellers. Bye.